agreement with several employers, including in some government agencies, that where persons are supposed to be laid off, there ought to be a sufficient body of information, performance appraisals that were done in advance, that we are able to make an evaluation of a person's competence and aptitude and work performance over time, and that your performance on the job will score higher than just the number of years that you spend in the workplace. But in the circumstance like the one we are dealing with today, where the employer wants to effect the layoff in the shortest possible time, then that employer has to go by a methodology which is most practical in the circumstances. And the law provides for last and the first out in the Employment Rights Act, and generally it is the most reasonable. I'm not saying that in every case the head of department or the officer responsible will apply it. But if you apply it, at least there is a principle by which you can judge what is happening. If you have to go and make individual judgments, you can measure on how fair the person is, what the hairstyle is, if they're small or they're female or they're whatever. And really then you take it into a very subjective area. This is why the last in first out was considered and was applied by prime ministerial statement to the government workers.